Hello, this is Emil Lord, Chairman IELTS and Head of Linguistics BITE Bangladesh with my English Grammar Specialist Video 1. Today, I will talk about basic difference between word and part of speech, what is a word and what is a part of speech in English grammar. This is a very important and fundamental topic of English grammar that will help you understand English properly. If you are a non-native, keep watching my English medium videos and you will be able to learn English grammar accurately, confidently and more quickly than others. Let's begin. What is word? When a single letter or a group of letters expresses a meaning, it is called a word. Like book, pen, paper, pencil, table, queen, king, computer, etc. are words. Even a single letter may also be a word when it expresses a meaning like a, I, etc. A word is a speech sound or a combination of sounds or its representation in writing that symbolizes and communicates a meaning and may consist of a single morpheme or a combination of morphemes. The branch of linguistics that studies word meanings is called lexical semantics. What is a part of speech? When a word is used in a sentence, it is called a part of a speech. That is, every word in each sentence is known as an individual part of a speech according to they are used for. The part of a speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. As for example, we live in Dhaka. In this sentence, there are 4 words and each of them is definitely a part of speech. Here, we is a pronoun, live is a verb, in is a preposition, and Dhaka is a noun. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Each of the 6 words used in this sentence is separately a part of speech. Here, Dhaka is a noun, is a verb, the is an adjective, capital is a noun, and Bangladesh is also a noun. Now, let's see the basic difference between a word and a part of speech in English grammar. A group of letters which has a meaning is a word, and when the words are used in a sentence are called part of speech. That means the words turn into part of speech when they are used in a sentence, and they may vary in using in a sentence. Look at the sentence below. Light the light with light color light. In this sentence, the same word light has been used in 4 different places of a single sentence as different for part of speech. Here, the first light word has been used as a verb. Second light is a noun. Third light word is an adverb, and fourth light is again used as a noun. Now look at the next sentence. But me no buts. Usually you know that the word but is a conjunction when it is used in a sentence. However, the but word is used 2 times in the above sentence in different 2 places, even it is a single sentence, although nowhere it is used as a conjunction. The first but is used as a verb, and the second part is used here as a noun. So every word is a part of a speech within the sentence, and every part of a speech is a word out of the sentence. Now let's move to some essential practice drill on this topic picked up from competitive exams, BCS preliminary test and university admission test. Question number 1. Word deals with what? A. Formation, B. Meaning, C. Spelling, D. Function. Correct answer will be B, because every word expresses a meaning. Question number 2. Part of the speech deals with dash of word. A. Formation, B. Meaning, C. Spelling, D. Function. Correct answer will be D, because a word is a part of a speech when it is used in a sentence according to the function they are used for. So every word in a sentence functionally a part of a speech. Question 3. Which of the following is true for word and part of a speech? A. Both are group of words. B. Both of them are single word. C. Part of a speech shows function and word shows meaning. D. Both B and C. Here correct answer is D, because in B both of them are single word, that is both word and part of a speech are of single word, and in C parts of speech shows function and word shows meaning. That is true that a part of a speech shows function of a word and a word just expresses a meaning. So correct answer is D. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with my next video on how to read and say the names of 8 part of a speech in correct IPA pronunciation. Till then, take care.